how to add a drop-down list in Microsoft Word. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a drop-down list in Microsoft Word and customize the options that users can select. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add the drop-down list. Before inserting the list, we need to enable the Developer tab, because this is where Word keeps the content control tools. Click File in the top left corner. Then select Options to open the Word Options window. From the menu on the left, click Customize ribbon. On the right side, you'll see a list of available tabs. Find Developer and check the box next to it. Once you've enabled Developer, click OK. You'll now see the Developer tab in the Word ribbon. Next, click inside your document where you want the drop-down list to appear. Now open the Developer tab. In the Control section, look for the drop-down list Content Control button and click it. Word will insert an empty drop-down list at your selected location. Now we need to add the choices that users will be able to select. Click the drop-down control you just inserted to select it. Then, from the Developer tab, click Properties. The Content Control Properties window will open. Here you can enter a title for your drop-down list if needed. Under Drop-down List Properties, click Add to create your first option. In the Add Choice window, enter the option name in the Display Name field. The value field will normally be filled automatically, so you can leave it as it is. Then click OK. Your first option has now been added to the list. Repeat the same process to add as many choices as you need. You can also change the order of your choices. Select an item from the list. Then use Move Up or Move Down to position it where you want. Once you've finished adding and arranging your choices, click OK to save the settings. Now return to your document and click the drop-down list. You'll see all the options you've added, and you can select any of them from the list. That's it! You've successfully learned how to add and customize a drop-down list in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, Office tutorials, and step-by-step tech guides.